In this video, you start to build the dashboard. I'll show you what is master item. We'll build master item for average per square feet, average resale price, and transactions. We'll then proceed to use the master items to create KPI visualization. Let's go back to the dashboard. By now, you should have already created your dashboard. Load the data in. This is the visualization mode, where you can see that the sheet is empty message. Go to the top right, click on Edit Sheet to go into the editor mode. Once you're inside your editor mode, you see on the left hand side, under the first tab, you see the list of fields that you have brought in within your dataset. Click on Master Item. You have a list of master items holder. Click on Measures and click on Create New to create a new measures. The first measure that we want to create is the average per square feet, which is using the resale price divided by the floor area square meter. This will give you the per square meter. So we need to multiply by 10.764 to give you the per square feet. And we use an average function in front to do an average per square feet. So copy this formula and paste it inside your expression here. Under the name, put average per square feet. Go to the bottom right and click on Create. This will create the average per square feet master item here. You can click on it and you'll be able to see the formula shown under the expression. Repeat the same for average resale price. Click on Create New. Put in average resale price and the expression, paste it in. Click on Create to proceed. And the last one is transactions. Count of resale price, create. You have 3 measures by the time you have created all 3 of them. So next we want to drag them out to create a KPI visualization. So what you need to do is click on Avg PSF and drag it out onto your canvas. Repeat the same for average resale price and transaction. You see that when you drag the measures out onto your canvas, it automatically creates a KPI visualization for you. Next, resize the KPI visualization onto the top row. Click on the object and click at the corner to do a resize. So for Avg PSF, click at the bottom right corner, resize it to fit the top left of your screen. For the average resale price, you can drag over to the portion just beside average per square feet. And for transaction, drag to the top right and you click at the bottom right corner to do a resize.